In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zapier with HubSpot in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just stepping into the world of automation, this quick and easy integration will empower you to streamline tasks and enhance productivity. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we need to visit the HubSpot homepage. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the HubSpot website URL in the address bar. Once you're there, you'll notice that beautiful HubSpot branding welcoming you. Now, if you haven't already logged in, we'll need to do that first. You'll see a login button, click on it. Enter your credentials to gain access to your HubSpot account. If you don't have an account yet, it might be a good time to sign up. However, assuming you're all set with logging in, let's move on. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. From here, we need to make our way to the HubSpot marketplace. To do that, look around for the marketplace icon. It's typically located in the main navigation menu. Go ahead and click on that icon. It will take you straight to the HubSpot marketplace, which houses various integrations and tools. Upon arriving at the marketplace, your next step is to locate the apps section. Clicking on apps will bring up a search bar, making it easy to find specific integrations. Now in the search bar, type in Zapier. Zapier is an incredibly powerful tool that connects various apps and automates workflows between them. If your work involves various tools, this integration can be a real game changer. After typing Zapier into the search bar, you'll see the Zapier app pop up on the list. Click on the Zapier app to get all the details about it. On this page, you'll find various insights and features that Zapier can bring to your HubSpot experience. But for now, our interest is in getting it installed. Locating the Install App button is our final task. Click on it, and the integration process will begin. HubSpot will guide you through the necessary steps to complete the installation, which usually involves granting permissions and confirming account connections. Follow the prompts carefully and you'll have Zapier installed in no time. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated Zapier with HubSpot. This integration opens up a world of automation possibilities, allowing you to automate repetitive tasks, connect different platforms, and ensure that your workflows run smoothly and efficiently. Remember, if you ever need to make adjustments or need further information, both HubSpot and Zapier have excellent support resources to assist you. Thank you for joining me on this setup journey. With just a few clicks, you've unlocked new productivity potential for your business. Be sure to check back for more tutorials on how to maximize your tools and streamline your processes. Until next time, happy automating.